Hey, David here to talk about for loops. Basically, what for loops are good at doing is like for every integer in an array, execute some code on every integer. Uh, and basically, their syntax kind of looks like this. You have for, and then you have this long, like really long parentheses, and then you have your code block, your body. And basically, the first thing that goes in here is essentially the number you're going to start counting from. That's what goes in here. Start counting from. And this is one way to think of it. So this is what you start counting from. And then you count while this expression is true. So you might have like I is less than 10. And then this final one is what to count by. And in this case, we're just going to count by ones. So basically, this loop is going to start counting from 0 all the way to 10, or basically until I is equal to 10, because once I is equal to 10, this evaluation is false. And we're going to increment I every time. So after doing this, the great thing is we can still access I. So we could actually syso I, right, like that, if we wanted to. Another great thing we could do, well, there's, another great thing we could do is instead of having a 10 right here, you have something else, like you have array.length. And basically what that will do is you'll count from 0 to the length of the array. So you'll count every single element in the array. And you can syso every single element by just going array I, right, like that. So the next code, I'll show you how to use this. And there's one more type of for loop that we can use that's really useful, and this is called it is called an enhanced for loop. So basically what you do is you proceed with a for loop, and then you have the array/collection type. So if you had like array string array equals new, or string 5, what you can do is for every string s in array, execute this code. And we could just like syso s if we wanted to. So in the next video, I'll show you how to actually code this. See you then.